All right, we're going to start Unit 13, Section 4, and in this section, we're going to be talking about the percent equation. So if you look here, this is from your textbook. It says you can represent A as P percent of B using the equation A equals P percent times B, where A is your is, P is the percent, and then B is your base. All right, so let's go ahead and look at number 1. It says what number is 60% of 35? So what number, that's our is, A equals 60% times 35. We learned in the last section we can write 60% as 0.6 multiplied by 35. So then we have A equals 21. So 21 is 60% of 35. Same thing with number 2. What number is 84% of 55? A equals 84% times 55, which would be 0.84 times 55, and I'll let you finish that one. All right, this next one is finding commission. The word problem reads, a salesperson earns a weekly salary of $175 plus a 4% commission on the sales of the bicycles made during the week. If the salesperson's bicycle sales for the week total $4,500, how much did the salesperson earn for the week? So you want to be careful here that they're not earning all of the bicycle sales. So they're not earning $4,500, they're earning 4% of the $4,500. So commission is on the sales. So we're going to have A equals 4% of 4,500, which we know that means to multiply. 4% changes into 0.04 or 400ths times 4,500. We then find A to equal $180 when we multiply 0.04 times 4,500. So their commission is $180. What they take home at the end of the week is their salary plus the commission. So when we add 175 plus 180, they are earning $355. All right, we'll go ahead and look at these problems. So here we're finding our percent. So we know our is 30. So 30 equals P, we don't know our percent, times 120. 30 equals 120p. You learned how to solve this type of equation. We're going to divide both sides by 120. When we do that, we have P equals 0.25, or we also know that to be 25%. I'll let you try number 2. We can also use the percent equations to find the base. So we have 18 equals 24% of what number? We don't know what the base is. So we have 18 equals 0.24b. If we divide both sides by 0.24 or 2400ths, we get b to equal 75. I will let you try number 2. I'm going to look at this word problem. So your friend paid $17 for a shirt. This amount, meaning the $17, was 85% of the total amount your friend spent at the clothing store. How much money did your friend spend? So $17 is 85% of the total. So we're looking for the total. So 17 equals 85 or 0.85 times B. When we divide both sides by 0.85, We find B to equal 20. So the total amount that she spent was $20. All right, number 2 is a sales tax question. I'm going to have you try that one, but if you have any questions on that, please don't hesitate to ask your teacher. And the review problems are simple one-step equations that you should know how to solve. If for some reason you have a question on the review problems, I would suggest looking back at Unit 3.